Hi everyone, thanks for joining in. I'm going to do a snowflake mani because there is a winter advisory snowstorm going on until Friday at 3 a.m. So I need to put a little snowflakes on my fingers here. This is dark and interesting. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. It sold out soon after it was released last month, I believe. As you can see, I already picked out some pieces that I'm going to wear, but this is Silent Snowstorm from Winter Retreat, so they did bring it back. So if you like it, please, you should grab it now. It came out with Dark Frost, which is a gorgeous black background with beautiful silver large and small flecks in it. Very pretty. It would go definitely well together. To me, it might be a little too dark. I'm not sure. We'll have to see if this is sheer or not. I don't know. I have some other stuff here pulled out. We'll have to give it a try. And then, shoot, I lost my alcohol wipe here. Anyway, the third one that came out with this set was Crimson. Shoot, I can't remember the last part of the name. It was a beautiful red with plaid and kind of I think it came out together. I probably shouldn't say too much. Anyway, okay, let's put these on. I will put the notes in the comments once I figure out what I'm talking about. All right, get my little garbage can going here. So let's see. Is this sheer? It is not. Look at that. It's a beautiful, solid gray background. I wasn't sure because I wanted to see if I could put maybe some of these blues. Oh, that would have been so pretty underneath that, but that is okay. So how do you know you're from Wisconsin? Your hands are dry and beat up in the winter. Oh my gosh, it is so embarrassing. My cuticles, my nails, so horrible. I cannot keep up. All right, can we show this in the lights here? So pretty. Wow, amazing. Just look at the detail on the snowflakes. I am a snowflake lover. I have every snowflake set that there is, even in my private vault, that maybe someday I'll get out and wear. But anyway, I hope you guys love snowflakes. You have to try this one. And I debated if there was like a little bit of purple lavender in this, because I was going to pull out a plum color. But I'll show you guys what I'm thinking here. And you know, I was going to leave my pinky for a possible third different kind of color. We'll see here. So if it's your first time joining in, always file your nails down, push your cuticles back. Wash your hands with some kind of soap that's going to bust the oils, and or use an alcohol swab. Just want to get that down nice and flat there. Let's do the pinky next. I love how these are different. Look at where they have the different snowflakes in the different spots, and then even here, just on the very end. Love that. I feel like my lighting is kind of off here. Can we bring in more lights? Let's see. We'll see if that helps. This is called the anchor method, where you can use the paper here to hold your nail strips so you don't have to touch it too many times on the back, which is no big deal as long as your pads are clean, your finger pads. So just make sure you use that alcohol wipe and clean that part too. That is your tool to putting on these beautiful, mostly dry nail strips. Love, 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 love. So pretty. If it's kind of bubbly, just make sure you push it down. Now, please, again, I said everything was so dry, but you know what? I will be hopping into bed right after this without worry of anything smudging or smearing. Tomorrow morning, I will file off any edges and use lots of hand lotion. All right, loving that. Let's see. If you get any on your skin, just make sure to pick it off the best that you can. They seem to be a little bubbly on my edges here. There we go. Gosh, that's pretty. The 3D depth of this is, wow, just amazing. All right, put that guy here. Yeah, and then we'll make the ring finger an accent. That is my favorite finger to accent. Again, gorgeous gray. I wish they would come out with just a plain gray like this. Imagine the things you could do with it. I have to show you guys some of the ideas that I had, not knowing if this was going to be sheer or solid. I just wanted to bring out some more color into this, because when the light hits it just right, you can kind of see the iridescence of the glitter, which I see a little bit of blue, a little bit of purple. You could just do so many things to bring out the beautiful color in this. Oh boy. That cuticle is so yucky and dry. So sorry, you guys, that you have to look at that. I had a different set of nails on last night. We went to the Grand Theater to the Cirque du Soleil show. It was kind of a knockoff of that. It's from the actual Cirque Theater, but they travel around to different theaters to do the shows. And it was just amazing. I had this fun, different colored pink and purple fireworks mani with lots of glitter. All right, so let's see. So yeah, I had thought about possibly opening this to put with that, which matches perfectly. It sure does. But here's my thought. I was like, should we do silver? Silver would be super pretty, right? But that just kind of maybe popped a little too much. Then look at this Tulum. I love that. It's like a beautiful blue sheer glitter. I'm like, should I put it just on my plain finger? That would be kind of pretty. Or put it over black. So to me, plain black would be gorgeous with this too. That would be so very classy and pretty. And then I thought, put the Tulum over the black. Or would that be too dark? So, as I sit here and contemplate, okay, let's do one finger with the black. These are just, I resealed. Let's see if I have a pinky one in here. Let's see. Or I mean, not a pinky, a ring finger. Looks like I do. Helps if you take the clear staticky piece off. All right. I'm just warming this up a little bit to get it a little more melty. I'm in my basement. It can get a little chilly down here. Oh, I love just the cream beauty of the black. Midnight in Manhattan. I think earlier I said Made in Manhattan. That is incorrect. That is a movie. Just want to get those edges. Yeah, my nails are all different shapes and sizes. Been doing a lot of packing and cleaning. We're hosting Christmas here in the next couple days. There's so much to do. And then my husband bought, because we always do pass a gift around, pick a number kind of thing. That is super pretty. And he bought some stuff, and while he was gone hunting over Thanksgiving, I had done a lot of cleaning in this house and put his gifts somewhere, and we could not find them. So just before I went live here, he comes down and says, guess what? I found them. They're sitting on the bookcase, like on a shelf in our bookcase, just sitting there. His gifts that he bought in these little boxes that were super hard to see. I'm the first to admit I am not the best with solids. My nails are kind of ridgy. If you're not used to wearing them, it's always a good idea to maybe wear 2 layers. Or use underneath, you can use nail strengthener. Or, where did I put it? Ridge filler. Ridge filler is amazing. It smooths out your nail. It's beautiful. It gives your nail a little extra strength. As you can see, I'm having issues on the edges here. I'm just going to cover those up. But so that's really pretty. If I would I like that a lot, just the black, but I'm going to cover it because that's just what I do. So let me just tuck these back in here. For whatever reason, you just never know. You guys ever worn Tulum? It may concern before. It is so pretty. Talk about an underrated, beautiful color. It has a sheerness to it that's just so gorgeous. Oh wait, duh. This is Fort Worth It. This is Fort Worth It. This is Tulum, it may concern. Okay, get myself straight. Tulum is coming out to play. And of course, right in between, I think you better do the bigger one to cover the whole thing, right? So as you can, oh, I thought this was more sheer, you guys. Oh, so, okay, I'm going to totally lose the black. Maybe I'll just leave one black and do one Tulum. What was I thinking? Oh, you guys are probably watching me saying, oh, she just doesn't know. Okay, this one I didn't like as much. It's being weird. All right, well, It's not going to change the color underneath, but I'll just put it on. Hopefully I can line it up. Yeah, it didn't change the color at all. What a dork, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh well, I wanted to see what it would look like. Maybe I'll get that black back out and cover it up again. Then it'll be nice and smooth underneath there, right? Well, live and learn. Do a little research before you open your stuff to see what is sheer and what is not. I bet Fort Worth that we would have seen through better. Now, I don't even know if I like this because it's not what I expected. Nope, not liking that. Definitely like the black better. Oh, I kill myself. Okay. What else? What other colors do we have here? Shoot. You know what I kind of thought about was putting this overlay, but then I thought that was just too bright and crazy. So silver would be pretty. Can't think, you guys. You know, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Running to work tomorrow, we'll see what happens. All right. Unless, is blue look pretty with that? Because this one just looks too light to me, doesn't it? Check out this color. That would be super pretty. This is one of our new winter sky, winter colors. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now just because I can't think straight. We'll see what we come up with. Gosh, that's pretty. All right, everyone around here is ready to go to bed anyway. They're getting knocked down. This video has taken a turn for I don't know what. Anyway, okay, let's throw this on. Sorry, you have to look at the crack in my thumb. That's so irritating. Beautiful. All right. Push that down really good. The better you get it to stick now, the longer it's gonna stay there for you. All right, and then, shoot, I don't have one of my wooden sticks here. That's okay. Oh, here it is. My little tool set of things. These are like having another fingernail. Keep one close by if you have one. They sell them at Sally Beauty Supply and all over the place. They're called orange sticks. That way you don't mar your other thumbnail. All right. There'll be more cleanup later and lots of cuticle oil and moisturizer. Okay, Yeah. I'm going to wake up tomorrow and say, what was I thinking? All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this. You never know what you're going to get, right? Okay. Have an awesome night. I'll post some pictures in another part of this. Maybe in the post section. Okay. Thanks for joining in. Bye.